Welcome back to Traveling Kangaroo. If you're dreaming of crystal clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and an underwater world bursting with life, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for snorkeling enthusiasts. Which is best for snorkeling from shore? Key Largo or Big Pine Key? Grab your gear, because we're about to explore the pros and cons of each location to help you choose your next snorkeling adventure. Whether you're a seasoned snorkeler or just starting out, finding the perfect spot can make all the difference in your experience. So let's dive deep and discover what each location has to offer. Let's kick things off with Key Largo, often referred to as the diving capital of the world. This beautiful island offers some incredible snorkeling opportunities right from the shore. What's truly special about Key Largo is its diverse ecosystems. You can snorkel over seagrass beds, coral reefs, and mangroves, all within a short distance. This variety means that every snorkeling trip can be a new adventure full of surprises. Some top snorkeling spots in Key Largo include Molasses Reef. Known for its clear waters and abundant marine life, Molasses Reef is a must-visit. You'll encounter colorful parrotfish, angelfish, and even sea turtles cruising through the coral. The vibrant colors of the reef create an unforgettable underwater landscape, Christ of Abyss. This iconic underwater statue stands about 25 feet beneath the surface and is not only a popular photo spot, but also a great area for snorkeling. The statue creates a unique environment for marine life to thrive, making it a vibrant spot teeming with fish. Cannon Beach, a more relaxed spot that allows you to enjoy snorkeling without leaving the beach. Here, you can explore nearby coral heads while lounging on the sand. The gentle waves make it a perfect spot for families and beginners. Key Largo Dry Rocks. Just a short boat ride away, this reef is famous for its stunning coral formations and diverse marine life. It's also home to another underwater statue, a large cross, making it a unique snorkeling destination. Now let's shift gears and talk about Big Pine Key. This hidden gem of the Florida Keys is known for its laid-back vibe and stunning natural beauty. While Big Pine Key doesn't have the same notoriety as Key Largo when it comes to snorkeling, it offers its own unique charm. Big Pine Key also boasts beautiful beaches and plenty of opportunities for wildlife viewing, including key deer, which are native to the island and are often seen roaming freely. Here are some great snorkeling spots in Big Pine Key Key. This stunning area features colorful coral reefs that are home to a plethora of marine life, including tropical fish like sergeant majors and butterfly fish, along with larger species such as nurse sharks and rays. The vibrant ecosystem here makes it a paradise for snorkelers. Bahia Honda State Park. Although technically not in Big Pine Key, it's just a stone's throw away and offers fantastic snorkeling opportunities. The waters here are calm and perfect for beginners. Plus, the park features beautiful sandy beaches where you can relax after your snorkeling adventures. Blue Hole. While primarily known for birdwatching and alligator spotting, this freshwater lake offers unique snorkeling experiences if you're willing to take a little adventure. Although it may not be your traditional snorkeling spot, exploring this area can be exciting. No Name Key. Just nearby, this area has less crowded waters where you can enjoy a more secluded snorkeling experience. The tranquil environment allows you to appreciate nature without distraction. So how do Key Largo and Big Pine Key stack up against each other for shore snorkeling? Accessibility. Key Largo has more easily accessible snorkeling spots right off the shore, making it ideal for families and beginner snorkelers who may not want to travel far from their accommodations. Marine life and coral diversity. Key Largo's reefs are renowned for their diversity and vibrancy, while Big Pine Key offers stunning but slightly less populated reefs. If you're looking for an abundance of fish species and coral formations, Key Largo shines in this category. Key Largo can get busy due to its popularity with tourists. However, this also means that there are more facilities available if you need them. On the other hand, Big Pine Key provides a more tranquil environment if you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of tourist hotspots. Both locations generally have calm waters suitable for snorkeling. However, conditions can vary based on weather patterns. Always check local reports before heading out. Ultimately, if you want convenience and vibrant marine life, Key Largo is your best bet. The variety of accessible spots means you can have different experiences without having to travel far. However, if you prefer a quieter experience with beautiful scenery and unique wildlife sightings, consider venturing to Big Pine Key for a unique adventure away from the crowds. Whichever you choose, both locations offer incredible experiences that will leave you with unforgettable memories. So pack your gear, grab your camera, and prepare for an underwater adventure like no other. Thank you for joining me today on this snorkeling showdown between Key Largo and Big Pine Key. I hope this video helps you plan your next underwater adventure and enhances your travel experience in the Florida Keys. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and guides from Traveling Kangaroo. Also, make sure to follow us on social media for daily travel inspiration and updates about our latest adventures. And don't forget to visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com for more insights into amazing destinations around the world. Until next time, happy travels!